game na to talagang inaabangan to sa Pilipinas at ngayon ipapakilala na natin siya sa mga tiga-Amerika. Ito po ang Family Affair!
Kaya naman,
Favorite ko!
Hey!
kaya naman Los Angeles, eto na ang mga pambato nyo sa putukan!
First, we have Red Team. We have Lorraine, Amy, Jerry, and Henny.
Alright, come on! Come on, dito po kayo. And then lumapit po kayo sa mic. Siyempre, hindi po sila, dito na lang ako sa kabilang side para
Okay,
masaya.
dito naman ako.
Okay, dito tayo. Ayan. So lahat ng teams ngayon pa lang po, meron na po silang tigwa $100. At pakinggan naman po natin dahil kahit ngayon lang sila nagkakilala, may cheer sila na inihanda para sa atin.
Okay, game.
Okay, who? Go!
Hi, we're the Red Team, and I'm Lorraine. I'm Sassy Amy.
Hi, I'm Ines Jerry!
And I'm Hip
And it is you!
And we are the Red Team.
Ng red team. Okay. Alright. So, dito na po yung number 1.
Red team.
At saka number 3. Dito, number 2 doon. Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Dito po
Number
kayo.
4, dito po
Okay.
kayo.
Eto.
Okay.
Dito na po na tayo. At
Alright.
syempre, dahil bago ito sa mga paningin nila, maingay sila, di ba? Sabihin natin sa kanila kung ano ba ang game na to.
Okay, napakasimple lang naman ang gagawin natin. Sa bawat team, may 4 na members. Kailangan lang putukin ang walong lobo.
Yes.
Gosh.
So, si number 1, puputukin niya yung tatakbo siya doon, puputukin niya yung lobo ni number 2. Tapos si number 2, tatakbo naman siya dito, puputukin niya yung lobo ni number 3. And so, si number 3, tatakbo naman siya
Kay
doon.
number? Oo.
Doon, puputukin niya yung lobo ni number 4, and so
Si number
on.
4, puputukin niya yung lobo ni number
Yes.
1. Okay?
So, pabilisan.
Pabilisan
Yes.
ang may
Yes.
pinakamixing oras, yun ang makakatanggap ng jackpot na $1,000! Okay.
Okay.
Alright, yung mga rules kami na
Yes,
iba
meron
pa.
pa tayong ibang special rules. Siyempre, pag ikaw yung magpapaputok ng lobo, kailangan hindi mo mahawakan yung lobo. At kung ikaw naman yung nakaupo, dapat hindi mo makurot yung lobo o mapaputok
Or using
siya.
your hands, putukin siya, okay?
And
So
siyempre,
you cannot use your hands.
yes,
Okay.
you have to use your backside. Bawal rin
Sabihin
gamitin...
mo na your butt.
Yes, use your butt.
Yes.
And then, bawal rin gamitin ang kanilang
Balakang.
balakang.
Hips.
Yes, your hips.
Oh, mga American na to kasi itong mga to,
Yes.
kaya ini-English ko.
Yes.
And I just have a tip for yung mga nakaupo. Close nyo yung mga legs nyo para mas madali maputok yung lobo.
So first we have Lorraine and...
Amy, Jerry,
Amy.
Henny, Team Puto ka na! Yes! Upo na po kayo, Mang Jerry, upo po kayo. Yan, very good. Ay, Mang Jerry. Mang Jerry, ano yon? Good. Takbo, Mang Jerry, takbo. Get, run there, get the lobo.
Oh.
Okay, go, takbo, Mang Jerry, takbo, Mang Jerry.
Four.
Dito ka, dito ka, dito. Nakakaloka si Mang Jerry.
Ay!
Ay! Mang Jerry, ay, ano
Oh,
nangyari?
Anong nangyayari?
Hello, Carmen!
Derek, tulungan mo sila.
Okay, wag hahawa. Pero okay. Bawal hawakan sa Pilipinas eh.
Bawal hawakan yung balloon.
Oh.
Mang Jerry,
Good job.
tumakas na doon.
Ay!
Ay, Mang Jerry.
Sara po niyo yung legs niyo. Sara niyo po yung legs niyo.
Close your legs, Mang Jerry. Close your
Yan,
legs.
sarado mo yung legs mo, yan.
Ayan.
Here. Ay!
Okay, oh, Mang
Ang
Jerry.
busy, Mang
masyado ka
Jerry,
na-excite.
grabe.
Na-excite siya eh.
Oo. Oh.
Pabilisan po to.
Jump up! Jump up! Yun!
Ayan.
Appear. Oh, di ba? Oh.
Good job, Red Team!
Ang
Good
saya ni
job!
Mang Jerry, di
Uy,
ba?
favorite ko si Ma'am Jerry. Ang galing-galing naman niyang pumutok.
Na-haggard yung beauty ni Lorraine. Ang ganda pa naman ni Lorraine. Okay, let's
Okay,
face
let's
the wall.
face the wall.
Let's look at your time. Kasi
Alright.
ngayon, malalaman natin kung ano ang time to beat ng mga susunod na teams. Okay?
Yes. Ang ating oras ay
Ayan na.
1 minute, 2.4 seconds.
Let's go back. All right. So
Okay.
again, nakita
1
naman
minute
natin.
and 2 seconds.
Next, Derek, we have the blue team.
Okay. Where's our blue team? We have Javier, Alex, Tess, and Leah.
Yay!
Thank you sa Red Team. Ang galing ng ginawa nyo. Lalo na si Mang Jerry.
Tignan mo na natin yung cheer ng Blue Team.
Okay, go.
Hi, my name's Javier.
I'm Alex.
I'm Tess.
I'm Leia.
And we are the Blue Team.
Blue Team, ready na ba kayo?
Ready!
Igiling-giling.
I love it. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right.
All right, go Blue Team!
1 and 3, dito po. Very good si Miss Tess. 2 and 4, dun po tayo. Again, ang inyo pong time to beat ay 1 minute and 2 seconds.
So,
Javier, Alex, Tess, Leia, Blue Team, puto ka na! Get the lobo,
Good
put it on
job.
your lap.
Alex.
No, put it on your lap.
Number 2. Yes. Yes.
Takbo po, Kuya Alex. Kuya Alex.
Go, 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 go! Okay.
Patukin, Leia. Get the lobo, yes. Sit down po, Ate Tess. Sit
Oh,
down.
there you go.
Patukin mo, Mang Alex.
Oh!
okay.
Stop, careful, careful. Okay, good job, Blue Team.
Tignan natin yung score nyo.
Wow. All right. Your
Parang
time to
mabilis
beat-
yun, ah.
Yes, ang time to beat nyo po, 1 minute and 2 seconds. And ang inyong oras ay
Yay!
34.1.
Bumibilis.
Yes.
Yung
Watch
oras na yan, pang Pilipinas.
Half the time.
In fairness,
Grabe,
ha?
ang bilis ah.
Yeah.
Yes. So ngayon, tawagin na natin ang susunod na team, ang pink team. Here's Jason, Ivy, Angela,
Angela,
and Buster. Alright.
Okay,
Pakinggan
ang
natin ang
kanilang
cheer
cheer.
nila. Oh, hilahin daw yung carpet. Go. You're
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm from Artesia.
Hi, I'm Ivy from Anaheim. Hi, I'm Angela from La Puente, California.
Ghostbuster from Eagle Rock.
And we are the Pink Team!
Okay, Pink Team.
Okay. Si Jason at saka si Ivy nakaupo.
Alright.
Alright, Pink,
Pink
team, are you
team.
ready?
Eto na po, ang inyong time to beat ay 34.1 seconds. Eto po sina
Jason,
Ivy, Angela, Buster. Pink team,
puto ka na!
putukin. Takbo.
Okay.
Dito po, Mang Jason, kuha po ng lobo. Buster,
Lobo,
kumuha ka ng
lobo,
lobo.
lobo, lobo.
Lobo, takbo, takbo. Dito.
Go, go,
Dito,
go, go,
dito.
go.
Okay,
Buster,
Buster,
go, go, go,
dito.
go.
Buster, putukin, putukin. Jason, Mang Kuya, dito ka. Tuto, ano yung
Buster,
tuto?
kailangan mo ng lobo. Yun.
Okay.
Oh, very good. Close your legs, close your legs.
Oh,
Para talon,
there you
talon.
go.
Up here, up here.
Oh,
Ayan.
pabilis
ah.
Pabilis ng
Parang,
pabilis.
oo nga.
Yes. Your time
Okay,
to
what's
beat
your score?
yes, was 34.1 seconds at ang inyong oras ay
32.6!
Palakpakan naman po natin ang
Alright,
Pink
Pink
Team.
Team.
Yes.
Uy, grabe ah. Pabilis ng pabilis. Kailangan yung yellow team. Malampasan nila yung pink team.
Oh, ito na ang yellow team. We have Joni, Neil, Lani, and Mario.
Okay, pakinggan natin yung cheer nila.
Yes.
I'm
Go.
Johnny from West Covina. I'm Mario from Port Arthur, Texas.
I'm Lani from Bakersfield.
I'm Neil, LA.
We are from Welly U.
We are the yellow team. Puto ka na!
Yes.
Alright, yellow team.
Okay. So yung nakaupo ngayon, si Joni at si Neil.
At eto na rin po si Lani and Mario. Ang time to beat ay 32.6 seconds. Yellow Team, puto ka na!
Lobo, 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 lobo.
Oh,
Okay, okay. Alright.
dalihan nyo!
Go, go.
Up, sarado niyo pa ba niyo? Okay. Yes.
go, go, go!
Yes, up. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Yellow team, let's see what your score is. 36.5.
Thank you.
Hindi nyo nalampasan ang pink team.
That's right.
Okay, so now let's call on the green team.
We have Jane,
Amy, Patrick,
Abby,
and Augie.
Augie.
Okay, lapit. Wow. Hello. Lapit po tayo sa
Americano.
mic. Lapit po tayo sa mic para marinig po yung cheer ninyo. Okay.
My name is Jane from North Hills.
My name is Amy from West Covina.
My name is Patrick from Fullerton.
My name is Ogie from LA, California.
Eh?
We're the green team. Putukan na.
Alright.
Okay.
1 and 3, 2 and 4.
My gosh, kailangan galingan nyo ha, yung energy nyo, kailangan dagdagan nyo pa para at least ma-beat nyo ang mga teams na nanauna.
Yes, and the time to beat is 32.6 seconds by the pink team.
That's right.
Alright.
Okay, ito na ang green team. Jane, Amy, Patrick, Augie.